We have cows here, we have pigs, we have broilers, we have ducks, we have geese, we have turkey, we have all kinds of things here. So I grew up here in the farm. My parents were good farmers. They used to keep broilers. Actually, that is how they were able to bring us up and educated the 12 of us. I'm happy about the biogas that we have been using. We've been using biogas like for the last 5 years, but this one is for the last 2 years without fail, because the other one used to fail us and we used to have to repair it every now and then. We went to visit a neighbor who had his installed. He talked very nice about it, so we asked him about the details, who installed for him, how much did it cost. So he gave us all that, and then he gave us a contact. So we called, and some people came from Sistema.bio, and we were able to install this, and it's really been serving us well. We are a household of an average of 10 to 15 people, and sometimes we're even 20 when the whole family is here. We are a big family, and we never use firewood, we don't use charcoal, we just use biogas. It has never failed us. We use it for cooking, and the salary goes to the farm because we have a farm where we plant like maize for silage and other crops. It's about 2 acres, and we don't use any fertilizer. We don't use any chemicals. I recommend this one because it cuts costs, especially now that the cost of living has gone high, so you'd cut your costs.